Hello kids, my name is Miss Mozaria Devanshi. I am from Saraswati Group of Education. Today we are going to continue with our CVC words. So what do we mean by CVC words? CVC words are the three-letter words which are made from three letters which are consonant, vowel and again consonant. So here you can see that C is consonant, V is a vowel and C again is a consonant. Right? So CVC words are the words where the first letter is consonant, second letter is vowel and the third letter is again consonant. Right? So we are going to learn those only. So today we are going to start the words which are ending with O and T. So students, આ વખતે આપણે લોકો એવા વર્ડ્સ લર્ન કરવાના છે જે કેનાથી એન્ડ થાય છે O and T. So if we match up with those, we can get to know that O is a vowel and T is a consonant and the first letter which is missing should be a consonant as well. So what do we do if we want to find out the missing letter? We are reciting the ABC song with the help of which we can figure it out which letter will come in the first place and which will not. આપણે લોકો ABC song ગાઈએ છીએ જેનાથી આપણે જોઈએ છીએ કે first letter missing છે એ કયો આવશે. Right? So we are going to begin that process. So first of all, what do? We do sing the ABC song. So A is the first letter. A will not come as A is a vowel itself and we need a consonant. આપણે લોકો A first letter છે તો A ને લેશું નહીં because A is a vowel. A શું છે? એક vowel છે ને આપણો first letter શું હોવો જોઈએ? It should be a consonant, right? So A will not come. Okay, A, B. Do you think B will come? B-O-T is a word? No, it will not come. Yes. Then C. C-O-T. Yes, it is a word. So I will write down dash O-T and I will write C here. Now you will ask, what do you mean by coat? Coat is a thing where baby sleeps. એક નાનકડો બેડ હોય એને કોટ કહેવાય. જ્યાં નાનું બચ્ચું સૂતું હોય એને શું કહેવાય? કોટ કહેવાય. રાઈટ? સો કોટ 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 કોટ. Right? Now moving forward, we will write number 2. So A, B, C, D. Do you think D will come? Yes, D will come. D, O, T. Now you will ask, what do you mean by dot, Didi? Dot means this thing is called a dot. કે નાનકડું એવું dot હોય, ટપકું હોય એને શું કહેવાય? It is called dot. Now it is compulsory to put a dot at the end of the sentence. Right? That is the sentence example of it. And the sentence example of this first word is baby sleeps in a coat. Right? So I hope તમને લોકોને બે વર્ડ્સના મીનિંગ સમજાઈ ગયા હોય અને તમે લોકો એનું વર્ડ ફોર્મેશન કરી શકો. બ્લેન્ડિંગ એન્ડ સેગમેન્ટિંગ. dot dot. Right? So dot is a full stop, it is a point. Right? So એનો મીનિંગ તમને I hope બધાને ખબર પડી ગઈ હશે. Now moving on to the third word, which is, so continuing our process, A, B, C, D, E. Will E come? No, it is not going to come as E is a vowel. E પોતે શું છે? Vowel છે. Right? So આપણે લોકો E ને લખશું નહીં. Once again, A, B, C, D, E, F. F-O-T. Can it be a word? No, it cannot be. So, once again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So, yes, G will come. G-O-T, got. Got मतलब મળવું. Got मतलब મળવું. I got a new phone. મારી પાસે એક નવો ફોન લીધો મેં. મળ્યો મને. રાઈટ? લીધો, મળ્યો. સો got નો મતલબ એ થાય. So that is the sentence example of it. I got a new phone, I got a new slippers, I got a new sandals. Whatever you want to write, you can. G or t, g or t, got. So blending is having this action. No, it does not have that action, students. Blending is having this action. Segmenting is having that action. Right? So whenever you want to cut down a word, you will do like this. And if you want to mix it all together, you are going to do like that. So that is the thing which you need to remember while you are practicing these words. તમે જ્યારે વર્ડ્સની પ્રેક્ટિસ કરતા હોય ત્યારે તમારી વસ્તુનું ધ્યાન રાખવાનું છે કે સેગમેન્ટિંગ આમ થશે અને બ્લેન્ડિંગ આમ થશે. આઈ હોપ યુ આર ક્લિયર વિથ ધેટ. અને તમને આ વર્ડનો મીનિંગ એ સમજાઈ ગયો હશે, સેન્ટેન્સ એક્ઝામ્પલ એ સમજાઈ ગયો હશે અને વર્ડ ફોર્મેશન બી સમજાઈ ગયો હશે. નાઉ મૂવિંગ ફોરવર્ડ વિથ અવર સોંગ, લેટ અસ ડુ ધેટ. A B C D E F G H. So, will H come? Yes, it will, as it is a consonant. So, H-O-T, hot. What do you mean by that? Hot matlab garam. Don't drink the tea, it is very hot. So, ચા નો પીવો, બહુ ગરમ છે એમ કોઈ કહેતું હોય. The sun is very hot today. આજે બહુ ગરમી છે. So, એ રીતનું તમે સેન્ટેન્સ ફોર્મેશન બનાવી શકો છો. How will we segment this word? સેગમેન્ટ કેવી રીતે કરશું આ વર્ડને? hot, hot, hot. Right? So, I hope તમને એનો મીનિંગ સમજાઈ ગયો હશે, સેન્ટેન્સ એક્ઝામ્પલ એ સમજાઈ ગયો હશે અને વર્ડ ફોર્મેશન, સેગમેન્ટિંગ અને બ્લેન્ડિંગ બી આવડી ગયું હશે. So, let us move on to our next word. Once again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I will come? No, it is not going to come, as I is a vowel itself. So, once again we are going to do that. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. J. Will it come? Let us see. Yes. Jot is a word. We are going to write down jot here. So, what do you mean by jot? Jot. We mean jot means ફટાફટ કાંઈ લખવું હોય ને એને શું કહેવાય? Jot down કર્યું કહેવાય students. So, whenever someone asks you to write down something quickly, ફટાફટ કાંઈ લખવાનું જે કોઈ કહે તો આપણે લોકો શું કહીએ? Jot it down very quickly. ફટાફટ લખી લો. So, jot. Jot, right? So that is the word. Jot down the letters very quickly. So આપણે લોકોને that is the sentence example of it કે jot down કરવું મતલબ ફટાફટ કંઈક લખી લેવું, ફટાફટ રાગી માટે લખવું, that is jot it down, right? Moving on to the song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Will it come? No, it will not. Once again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Will L come? Yes, it is going to be there. So, lot. So, what do you mean by lot? Lot means બહુ બધું, right? Lot means ઘણું બધું. So, lot number, I have lots of chocolates, I have lots of shoes. The બહુ બધી વસ્તુ જ્યારે હોય ત્યારે you can say I have a lot. So the sentence example I already gave and the word formation as well. Lot. Right? Moving forward, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, M. Will it come? No, it is not going to come. So, once again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Yes, it will come. So, it is not means a negative thing, right? No એક ફોર્મ છે કે નથી નહીં એવું ટાઈપનું. I did not do my homework એટલે મેં મારું હોમવર્ક કર્યું નથી. So it is a form of no. I hope તમને લોકોને સેન્ટેન્સ એક્ઝામ્પલ સમજાઈ ગયું હશે. Not, not, right? So that is the word formation as well as the sentence example of the same. Now we are going to move forward. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. So will O come? No, it is not going to come as O is a vowel. O एक vowel છે એટલે આવશે નહીં. So continuing with the process, we are going to sing the ABC song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. So will P come? Yes, it is going to come as it is a word. So pot, pot. So what do you mean by pot? Pot is a vessel, એક વાસણ છે. પોટમાં આપણે બધું ભરી લઈને કે ને કે પોટ છે નાનકડું એવું. So pot is a type of a vessel. માટીનું વાસણ હોય એને શું કહેવાય? pot કહેવાય, right? So the gold coins were in the pot. That is the sentence example of the word. So I hope you have understood the meaning as well as you have understood the sentence example. And now we are going to move forward to the next one. So continuing with the process, we are going to sing the ABC song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. So will Q come? No, it will not come. So once again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Yes, so R will come. So what do you mean by rot? Rot मतलब सड़વું, બગડવું, એને શું કહેવાય? Rot કહેવાય. The tomatoes are rotten. બગડી ગયા છે ટમેટો. Rot થઈ ગયા છે, લાઈક ખરાબ થઈ ગયું હોય, કંઈક સડી ગયું હોય, એને શું કહેવાય? Rot કહેવાય, right? So next is sentence example એ તમને લોકોને સમજાઈ ગયું. Now we are going to understand the word formation. Rot, rot, right? So that is the thing. Now moving forward to the next thing. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Do you think S will come? No, it will not come. So once again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, T. So is it going to come? No, it is not going to come. I was just, seeing કે તમને લોકોને ખબર પડે છે કે નહીં. Tot is not a word. T-O-T. So it will not come. So once again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Now students, તમે લોકો જ્યારે ABC બોલતા હોય ત્યારે તમે લોકો આ વસ્તુ ખોટી જ બોલતા હશો. L, M, N, O, E આવે. L, M, N, O, P નો આવે. L, M, N, O, P. ક્લિયરલી બધા લેટર્સ છૂટા બોલવાના છે. L, M, N, O, P એવું બોલવાનું નથી, right? So whenever you are singing the ABC song, please remember કે બધા લેટર્સ આવી રીતે જ બોલો. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. So will U come? No, it is not going to come as U is a vowel. So once again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. So V will also not come. So once again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. W આવશે? નહીં આવે. So once again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, HIJKLMNOP, LMNOP, QRST, UVWX. X આવશે? No, it will not come. So A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P, LMNOP, QRST, UVWX, Y. Y આવશે? No. And then the last letter is Z. So Z આવશે? No. So these are all the words which are ending with O and T. So we are going to have a quick recap of the meaning of the words. So let us do that. Cot is the place, it is a bed where a baby sleep. નાનું બચ્ચું હોય છે, સૂતું હોય છે બેડ ઉપર, એને શું કહેવાય? cot કહેવાય. Then dot means a dot. એક ટપકું, that is a dot. Then got means મળવું, like લીધું હોય, મળ્યું, that is a got. Hot means ગરમ, hot means ગરમ ગરમ. Then jot means લખવું, quickly કંઈક લખી લેવું, નોટ ડાઉન કરવું, એને શું કહેવાય? jot કહેવાય. Then lot means બહુ બધું, right? Then not means it is a form of no, નથી, like એ ટાઈપના વર્ડનું meaning થાય. Then pot means it is a vessel, માટીનું એક જે માટવું હોય એને શું કહેવાય? pot કહેવાય. Then rot મતલબ બગડી ગયેલું. So now what are we going to do is we are going to understand the worksheet. So in worksheet what are you supposed to do? દીદી તમને આ બધી blanks આપશે, તમારે first letter ખાલી fill કરવાનો રહેશે. And in the second question એ 10 letters, તે 10 words ને use કરતા તમારે લોકોએ sentences બનાવવાના છે. So I hope you have understood this lecture and enjoyed it as much I have. So until we meet again next time, what are we going to say? We are going to say bye.